Actor Gurucharan Singh, renowned for his portrayal of Roshan Singh Sodhi in the popular television sitcom Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, has allegedly gone missing. The 50-year-old actor departed from his home in Delhi on April 22nd, bound for the airport to travel to Mumbai, and has not been heard from since. Furthermore, his phone is currently untraceable. Gurucharan Singh's father has lodged a missing complaint at a police station in Delhi, and a soft copy of the same has been shared with the media. The actor has gone missing from New Delhi airport, where he had gone to catch a flight to Mumbai. But neither did he return to his home in Delhi, nor has he reached Mumbai.
गुरचरण सिंह के फैमिली ने हमें एक कंप्लेन लॉन्च की थी कि वो 22 अप्रैल को शाम को 8:30 बजे ही वॉज सपोज टू ट्रैवल टू मुंबई, और फिर वो वहाँ नहीं गए, तब से ही वो मिसिंग है. इसमें हमने केस रजिस्टर कर लिया है और वी आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑन मल्टीपल एंगल्स. बेसिकली हम इसमें फुटेजेस और टेक्निकल इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं. इसमें हमें वाइटल क्लूज अभी काफ़ी मिले हैं, उसी पे हमारी टीम्स काम कर रही हैं और आगे की इन्वेस्टिगेशन जारी है. हमने जो केस रजिस्टर किया अंडर 365 आईपीसी, जो अबडक्शन के सेक्शंस में हमने केस रजिस्टर किया, और जो हमें इनिशियल प्रूफ जो है हमारा जो है कि सीसीटीवी में जो मूवमेंट दिख रहा है उसी को हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं और इसके कॉरपोरेटिव टेक्निकल एविडेंसेस को भी एनालाइज कर रहे हैं. अभी तक हमें जो इनिशियल प्रूफ जो हमें दिखी है उसमें वो एक बैकपैक लेके और जाते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं.
More than 2 years ago, Gurucharan Singh left Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma after working in the comedy soap for more than a decade. Initially, it was reported that he had a grudge against the producer of the show, Asit Modi, since his dues were not cleared. According to Jennifer Mistry, who worked alongside him as Mrs. Roshan Singh Sodhi, the actor had promised to stand on her side and be a witness in a molestation case against the TMKOC production team. However, when his dues were cleared, Gurucharan Singh instead said that he would work as a neutral member between Jennifer and Asit Modi and would help to sort out problems between them. The missing complaint comes as a shocker for many, as Gurucharan Singh has always been known to be a jolly man with no fights or problems.